Now that you have your show created, your automations created, the next thing is to bring in your listeners. And the easiest way is to just create a keyword. Mine is leads. That's the keyword I used. Select your show. And then with this little pro tip, it says reply with your email address. All right. I like to say reply with your email address. So bonuses will be sent straight to your inbox. Okay. Collect their name, and then that's it. Now you created your keyword. That part is easy. And so is creating the sales page. So let's go into that. It says your Stripe has to be connected. That's only if you plan to sell access to your course. I'm going to give this away for free. And you can set up categories, you can set up languages, you can do pixel tracking. But what's really important is this. And I'm not going to go through everything to say here, but you can go over to the sales page for Free Leads Forever and model that is what I recommend. But a few things is to point out that I'm going to charge like $199 in the future, so they know the value of it. And also let them know you have 3 days to listen. And as a result, you'll discover how to get big result, right, in time frame without stuff they hate. And let them know that there's bonuses or anything else. You can add images, or you can add a little demo video, HTML, all sorts of stuff. Doesn't matter. I like to keep it simple. So you set up that about, and then some reviews. And these are reviews that you can put in yourself. And John Doe, amazing. And I would put in, you can use existing customer reviews. Carla is always on point, right? Whatever, pont. But just put in a few reviews. All right. That when we created these sales page parts, we reviewed hundreds of different sales pages, and we pulled out the essential bits that you need to sell products, and reviews is one of them. And the other one is FAQs. Now we have some default FAQs. Again, you can go over to Free Leads Forever and see what the FAQs are on that. But one of them is like, why do I need this show, right? Or, and you put in the answer. You can put in, what will you expect? What do I do if I have any problems? And fill out those FAQs. And really it's to reassure the person getting your show that this is what they're looking for. This is the answer to their prayers. So once you have all of that set up, you head over to overview. You want to turn it on live. And that's it. You're ready to go live. So, other things, like if you want to use your own URL with the show, sales page, here we go. If you want to use your own domain, you can do that as well. You don't have to use the Hiro domain. You can connect your own domain. So once you get that all set up, then you're ready to launch, and you share your keyword and you share your sales page everywhere. You put it in your emails, you put it in your social media, you put it on your website, everywhere, so that you can just automate this process over and over again.